Hello friends, let me continue with how to create a quiz questions. It is very important that we are familiar with preparing questions, quiz questions and uploading. Here I'm not focused on what type of questions that you are, how you prepare the questions, but my focus is how to upload the questions and make accessible to the children. So I will be demonstrating here how to upload the quiz questions. So there are two ways that you can add quiz questions. Number one, okay, if you go to an activity, add activity and add quiz, and then if you say add, now I'm going to add the quiz, and quiz title must be given. Is a MCQ, or you can write okay, MCQ, multiple choice questions, and then you can keep here descriptions. As I said, you don't need here, but you need to put your timing. Probably you'll be allowing your students to attend for 20 minutes or the 30 minutes, so that total time becomes 2 hours 30 minutes. So yeah, this is 30 minutes. Then you can go to grading. In the grading you have to go to, this is very important, when you go to grading you have to go to the attempt allowed. Attempt allowed must be 1. You should not allow more, because people will attempt one time, then after some time again they will attempt again within the given time bound. Some people attempt very fast and then they simply inquire the answer from others and try to re-attempt that question. So we have to be very careful. We have to give only one time, so which means they need to be seated thoroughly. They are discussing, they will not have an opportunity to discuss with their colleagues. Okay, then layout is okay. The question here, shuffling the questions must be yes. Then review options. Here you can just you can remove those attempts, but they should be able to see their marks, overall marks. Okay, so you need to, in case of essay type I removed all, but here I'm just removing. If you click it on the top, it will get removed. Just click the attempt box and you are going to see the mark is ticked, overall feedback is ticked, mark is ticked, overall feedback is ticked. So that is important because children need to see their marks after attempting, because it's an objective type, it will be automatically assessed. All right, then for this you have to always maintain with the password, so that you will keep the password just before the time starts. So this is very important. At times children keep on attempting trying to get into this quiz prior to the time mentioned. So in order to avoid that, you have to maintain a password. Okay, rest I think is all right. I say save it. Then this will appear like this. Attempt allowed one time, time limit just 30 minutes. If you have given a password, it will appear your password. So here if you don't give a password, if there is a password protected, then you have to submit the password as I have shown to you. Okay, but now addition of questions, edit quiz. Now there is 2 ways of addition of the questions. If you like to add the questions, probably I would like to add the questions either directly from the BLE. I can add the questions here. I can add new questions, for example multiple choice questions. I can go here, click this, I will click this and then just click, which means I am preparing question here itself. Okay, then what you have to name it MCQ. Okay, sorry, name MCQ. Then here maybe you will have to write who prepared this tutorial. Of course I have shown the picture, but I can just, I'm asking the questions, and then yeah, by default this is, if it is a 1 mark or 2 mark, maybe let's put it for 2 marks. Okay, I'm changing that. And now the word feedback is no problem, you can just forget. this choice will be shuffled. See there, choice also gets shuffled within that. Choice meaning that answer would move up and down. You can have an option to move your answers. Okay, and now the first choice is RSTAMANG, RS Tamang. Sorry, this is looking TAMANG Tamang. And if this is a correct, then you give 100%. And choice number 2, Dr. Sonam Sonam, sorry, ONAM, Sonam RINCHEN, Dr. Sonam Rinchen. Then choice number 3, choice number, yeah, this is, I did not do anything because this is not a correct answer, so it should is either I can put it, there is no way that I can put it here. You can choose. If it is a partial answer, then you can choose, but I say it's not an answer, so none. Okay, then here Mr. BB MONGAR, BB Monger is, again I'm putting none because I can put it none. You don't have to. If I mark it 100, then that is the right answer. Then you can go for third one, then maybe Dr. Kin Jang. Okay, Kin Jang Dorji. If I do this, then yeah, I can this is also none because that is a wrong answer. So if I save this is one way of preparing a direct quiz questions here. All right, very simple. Then is it true as same to this, you can also do for true false. I'll just do for one sample is MCQ, okay, multiple choice question, another true false as a sample. Let's go for one. I'll go to true false. I'll click at this. Okay, and I can just say that T/F true false. Okay, sorry, this is something wrong. Okay, true false. Then what is that? Who is the present president of SCE? Yes. Then I say if you give a correct answer, you should be getting 2 marks. And now I will be writing the options here. So the first, if it is, now there is an option here slightly different. If it is a true, here you have to write Dr. Rinchen Dorji. If that is the right answer, then you say true, or if it is a true, then you should say excellent. Just I'm giving feedback. Okay, this even if you don't type is okay. If it's a false, try again. This is just like that. You don't have to type this, but it's very important is if someone's here, no, not a who is a president, Dr. and I have done something wrong. Dr. Sonam, Dr. Rinchen Dorji is the president of SCE. Okay, Dr. Okay, Rinchen Dorji is the, so I don't have to write the name here. If it's this is just a feedback, you will get it. Then the correct answer is, yeah, I can bring it this. Copy. Okay. Feedback and 2 marks, and the correct answer is a true. If it's a true, Dr. Rinchen is true. I hope I'm just getting confused there. It's okay. I think it should be. You should be able to view it, so you will be able to correct that. View it. So Dr. Rinchen Dorji is the present president of SCE. If I say true, then if I yeah, this is, save it. Yeah, this is correct. So if I say wrong, yeah, it can be done. So I'm just trying to see the options whether it works true. It is correct. So I have now two questions, multiple choice questions, which I can create here itself on the page. When I say this, you have a lot of different types of objective questions where you can do mathematical calculations, drag and drop, putting maps, identifying, spotting, labeling, missing the selected words, adding the phrases. These are all possibles to add as a different objective questions. So with these two different types of questions that I have created, which we are going to use it very soon, this is how you are going to create questions on the Moodle itself. I hope this will help you how to create multiple choice questions and true false questions. Thank you for now.